Welcome to DRR channel. In this video, I talk about principles of sustainable architecture and also discuss about its important points. These points are how to achieve sustainable design, energy design strategy, indoor environmental quality, sustainable building materials, recycled materials, renewable energy generation. In sustainable architecture, its principles are energy efficient, conserve water, use of local materials, use of natural materials, save the forest, recycle materials, build to last, grow your food, share facilities. These pictures follow all the principles of sustainable architecture. How to achieve sustainable design? First is energy efficiency. In these, small is good, passive solar design, active solar design, high level of insulation, efficient heating of air and water, thermal mass, ventilation, efficient lighting, to achieve sustainable design. Optimize site potential, minimize non-renewable energy consumption, use environmentally preferable products, protect and conserve water, enhance indoor environmental quality, and optimize operational and maintenance practice. Second is waste management. In these, through designing in modules, recycling while building, grey water systems, low flow taps and showers. Third is building materials. In these, use of renewable non-toxic materials, use of recycled materials, locally sourced to reduce transport. Energy design strategy. Optimize building envelope, minimize demand through serious conservation, and supply energy with maximum efficiency and using renewable. Site microclimate, energy conservation, passive solar heating, passive cooling, natural ventilation, daylighting, renewable resources. Its design strategies use ambient energy source instead of purchased energy like electricity and natural gas. These strategies include daylighting, natural ventilation, solar panels, inverter, thermostat, battery storage, electricity meter, energy saving counter, and energy consumption. It use purchase energy to keep the building comfortable. Spectrums are traditional vernacular, sustainability by default, existing architecture made more sustainable, environmental determinism, symbiotic relationship with natural environment, indoor environmental quality, IEQ. It refers to the quality of a building's environment in relation to the health and well-being of those who occupy space within it. Comfort. Conventional standard seek status or optimum. Change is the natural state of affairs. People are more forgiving of buildings which offer more control. Dynamic environments stimulate within limits. IQ is determined by many factors including ventilation, air quality, pollutants, lighting, The performance of indoor environment is described as indoor environmental quality. The quality indoor environment can result in increased occupant satisfaction, enhanced performance and productivity, reduced liability, marketing advantage, and lower operation and maintenance cost. Sustainable building materials. Engineered wood use structure element manufactured within a minimum amount of high grade wood. Next, sustainable lumber. Use certified sustainable lumber. Use fast growing materials like bamboo flooring. Reused wood. Use recut lumber from recently dismantled buildings. Recycled manufactured materials. Use materials manufactured within a high recycled contain long life and low maintenance materials. Use materials that last with minimum or no maintenance cost. Low energy materials. Use materials that require minimal energy to manufacture, transport and grow. Recycled and alternative construction systems, prefabricated panels, wall and roof system. Post and beam construction. Construction method that the owner can use to build home themselves. Then is recycled materials. Sustainable architecture often incorporates the use of recycled or second-hand materials such as reclaimed lumber and recycled copper. The reduction in the use of new materials creates a corresponding reduction in the production of materials. Often sustainable architects attempt to retrofit old structure to survive needs in order to avoid unnecessary development. When older buildings are demolished, frequently any good wood is reclaimed, renewed and sold as flooring. Any good dimension stone is similarly reclaimed. Many other parts are reused such as doors, windows, hardware, thus reducing the consumption of new goods. Sustainable remodeling. Existing buildings can remodel and install improved mechanical components and update operating systems to make a building green. Renewable energy generation. First is solar panels. Active solar devices such as photovoltaic solar panels help to provide sustainable electricity for any use. Electrical output of a solar panel is dependent on orientation, efficiency, latitude and climate. Solar gain varies even at the same latitude. Roofs are often angled toward the sun to allow photovoltaic panels to collect the maximum efficiency. Solar panels can provide adequate energy if aligned within a 30 degree of south. Second is wind turbines. The use of undersized wind turbines in energy production in sustainable structures requires the consideration of many factors. In considering cost, small wind systems are generally more expensive than large wind turbines relatively to the amount of energy they produce. Buildings integrated wind turbines performance can be enhanced with addition and airflow wings to top of the roof mounted turbines. Third is solar water heating. Solar water heater, also called solar domestic hot water system, can be cost-effective way to generate hot water for a homes. They can be held in any climate. Fourth is heat pumps. Air source heat pumps are inexpensive relative to other heat pump systems. However, the efficiency of air source heat pump declines when the outer temperature is very cold or hot. Therefore, they are only really applicable in temperate climates. Types of green and sustainable buildings. Any type of building can incorporate green and sustainable design principles. Depending on the function of the building, consideration is given to efficiency in materials, mechanical systems, and operating cost in the design process. And examples are homes, schools, commercial and public buildings, laboratories, and healthcare facilities. By Dear Raj, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.